We're really in a unique position here at Temple College. It's not like any other higher ed institution you're going to see. Instead of building the programs and building buildings, we're really building this workforce ecosystem.
Students that come to our program are going to be graduating with not only the knowledge and experience of the process engineering knowledge and experience of this equipment, but they'll get the hands-on experience.
Coming through this program, you really get enough information on reparative maintenance and things like that that you kind of end up in a situation where you can fix anything with a pretty comprehensive understanding of like what makes stuff work, and when something's not working, the ability to kind of pull the thread on that and make it work is not much of a leap from there.
This is a great tool for teaching people that they don't need to have the bachelor's degree to get started in this industry. They'll build it up as they go if they want to further their career. But just getting through these programs, getting your associate's degree is a great way to start. And with this much hands-on training, when you actually get to the industry, you will find that what we have been training you for is what you're going to need to work on these tools and be successful as a technician.
Even though you learn a whole bunch of different subjects, all those subjects combine together into one very complex system that all has to work together. Being able to come here and actually work on our production line gives you that firsthand experience of what it's like when everything actually goes from the book into real life.
We are training that versatile student here today that's going to have a career tomorrow.
We are training the labor force of tomorrow. We are building on what we have, and we're making it bigger and better in order to train you to meet the needs of the labor, especially in the high technology field.
And what makes it really special is the fact that I get to see students make discoveries. I get to see them explore. I get to see them to learn new things and actually the ability to do things they never thought they could even do. The programs that we're developing and we have developed in partnership with the industries that we've included, we're really setting people up to future-proof them so that not only are they ready for employment today, but they're able to really support themselves and their families in the future.